Good morning, children. Welcome to another class of English grammar. In our last class, we have studied about collective noun and abstract noun. Today, we will start with a new topic in nouns, that is singular noun and plural noun. You must be familiar with singular and plural noun. Just take a quick recap of this topic. A noun that names one person, animal, place, or thing is called a singular noun. Example: a boy, a cat, a house, a flower. A noun that names more than one person or animal, place, or thing is called a plural noun. Means more than one. So that is called a plural noun. Example: boys, cats, houses, flowers. Let us learn about the different ways which plural nouns are formed. We add es to nouns that ends in ch, sh, o, s, ss, or and x to get their plural forms. Means the words that ends with sh, ch, o, s, ss, and x, we add es in those words at the end. So to make their plural form. Example: dish, dish. Your word dish is a singular noun. To make it plural, see the word dish ends with sh. So to make it plural, we will add es in this word. So the word will be dishes, dishes. Same way couch. The word ends with ch. couch, couch. To make it plural, couches, couches. Bus, buses. GLASS, glass, GLASSES, glasses. BOX, box, BOXES, boxes. MANGO, mango, MANGOES, mangoes. But sometimes some words ending in O take only S in its plural form. Means some words that ends with O, we only have to add S in to make it plural. Example: ZOO, zoo. To make zoos, we will add only S. ZOOS, zoos. PIANO, piano. So to make it plural, PIANOS, pianos, we will not add ES in these words. Only some words. The nouns that ends in a consonant followed by Y change into plural form by changing the Y to I and then adding ES. Suppose some words that ends in consonant followed by Y. Some words that ends by Y. We have to make it plural, we have to add I in place of Y and then we will add ES. Suppose examples are city, CITY, city. Here the word city ends with Y. To make it plural, see, CIT, in place of Y we will add I and we will add ES to make it plural. So city, cities. Same way country, countries. We will add IES in place of Y. FLY, fly, FLIES, flies. BABY, baby, BABIES, babies. But we don't add IES in monkeys. We will not write MONKIES, monkeys. The plural of monkey is monkeys, MONKEYS. Just add S at the end. We will not write IES. Okay. So the next one, the noun that ends in A, E, O or U followed by Y change into plural form simply by addition of S. Some nouns that ends with A, E, O or U and Y followed by Y change into plural. We have to change these words in plural form only by adding s. We will not add ies in this. Okay. The form To form the plural of a noun that ends in f or fe, we replace the f or fe with ves. Some words that ends with f or fe, we will replace those f and fe by adding ves. Example: thief, thief. Your word thief end with f. So to make it plural, we will write thieves, thieves. Understood? So same way with leaf, leaf, leaf. So to make it plural, we will add ves to make it plural. Leaf, plural of leaf is leaves, leaves. Same way with calf, calf, calf. To make it plural, calves, calves. Some nouns have the same form in singular and plural. There is no change in the spellings of these words. These are called irregular nouns. Example: some words does not change. They remain the same in singular also and in plural also. So these words doesn't change. They are called as irregular nouns. Some words, suppose sheep. We will not write sheeps or sheeps. We will write only sheep for sheep. S in singular also sheep and plural also sheep. Deer, deer, deer in singular and plural also deer, deer we will write. Knowledge, knowledge, knowledge. Same way in the plural form also we will write knowledge only, knowledge. We will not write knowledges. We will write the same word knowledge in plural form. Same way news, news, news. In the plural also we will write news, news. Staff, staff, staff. So same way in plural form also we will write staff, staff. So I hope you have understood about singular and plural noun. I will just make a quick recap of this topic once again. In this chapter we have learned how to form plurals. Singular nouns ending in s, ss, ch, sh and x, we add es in them. And ending in o, usually we add es or s. Some nouns take both s or es. Ending in a, e, o or u before y, add s. Ending in a consonant y, change the y to I and add es. Ending in f or fe, change the f or fe to v and then add es. There is no change in the spelling of some singular nouns when they form the plural. Understood, children? Thank you. God bless you.